Okay, Bryn, we're gonna take a drive around the neighborhood so you can take a look of how the houses look like.
It's a very cloudy day.
Yeah.
And it's not very green because everything's dormant right now.
But it seems to be pretty consistent. I have one house over here on the left that we passed by. That one seems to be still distressed. The majority seem to be already recovered. So you have like one or two here and there that they're still probably working on it. There's one for sale over here on the left. A lot of cute homes. You know, that one was pretty cute and well done. Look at that. It has like a cattle gate on it. Maybe they wish they were on a farm.
Well, he had a Mustang in the driveway that was all souped up, so maybe he's got a little play going on with his car, you know, a horse, Mustang horse.
I see. This one was gone. It's just
a slab now.
Yeah.
So there's the house from over here that we were just
Oh,
in.
yeah, right there. Ay, sorry. Right there. So we're going around the block. So you have an idea of what a neighborhood looked like.
Any of these people got solar panels?
Yeah, don't do it. Let me tell you right now, don't do it. Unless you're gonna live in that house forever. There's another one for sale over here. This is just vacant land on the left. And the homes on the right. Oh, check out this one over here that we passed by. Well manicured.
I'm gonna go through this circle too.
Yeah, Betty Louise. There's a lot of military people that live here because the proximity to the Air Force Base. But yeah, pretty nice and consistent. The lawn and you know, you said you have dogs, so it's nice if you want to go for a walk. You have the you know, the walkway around the neighborhood, so you can do that stuff without being right in the middle of the street. Oh, that is interesting. You got like weeds growing.
Ivy.
What is it called? That ivy?
Yeah. Like another house that got wiped out.
Yeah, and
down
here
to the slab.
and here on the right looks like they still have a motorhome in the front, so they're probably still working on that. Another solar pin over there on that one. You know, people don't understand that they raise the liability on the homeowner's insurance, and that will cost you a lot of money. So houses here to the right, I'm sorry, to the left. To the right is to clear vacant land. Let's see some nice homes.
If you had a bunch of friends in the neighborhood, you could get a street legal golf cart. The speed limit's 25 through here, so it's
pretty.
loud.
be the pump station right there.
You know, the front yards are decent size
Yeah.
on pretty much every lot here. That's nice. Okay, that was about 90% of the subdivision.
Right. And then we turn here on left and we go back to Highway 22, that it can take you to town, or if you go east you get to Wewa Hitchcock. And there's the main road here in Callaway. The distressed home right here to the right, probably gonna be torn down. So this is Highway 22 that is gonna take you back to
Tyndall Parkway, which there's a grocery outlet, has really reasonable prices on a lot of things. My favorite is their meat.
yeah.
The meat is always a good value there, but you also have a Walmart, Chick-fil-A, and
Yes. So, oh, there's a
hey, that's pretty.
body of water here on both sides. Little bridge.
Callaway Bayou.
Yes. Okay, Bryn. I hope this was helpful. And we will talk to you soon.